If Steam is throwing a HTTP error 500, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick fix that can solve the problem in just a few minutes. This is a simple troubleshooting method that many Steam users can use when downloads, updates, or store pages start acting up. We're going to change one setting, clear the download cache, and then restart Steam so everything can refresh properly. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Steam on your computer. Once Steam is open, look to the top left corner and click Steam. From the menu that appears, click Settings. This is where you can adjust a number of Steam preferences, and for this fix, we're going to focus on the download settings. Inside Settings, click on Downloads. On this page, you should see your download region. If your current region is having issues, changing it can help Steam connect more reliably. Click the Download Region dropdown and choose a different nearby server region. For example, if your current region is not working properly, switch to another region that is close to your location. This small change can often help resolve connection-related errors, including the HTTP error 500. After changing the download region, look for the Clear Download Cache button. Click it carefully. Steam may ask you to confirm the action, and that's normal. Clearing the download cache removes temporary files that can become corrupted or outdated and cause Steam to misbehave. This is one of the most effective steps when Steam starts showing error messages or fails to load content correctly. Once the cache has been cleared, you will need to sign in again or reopen Steam depending on the prompt you receive. Now close Steam completely if it doesn't restart on its own and then launch it again. Restarting Steam is important because it forces the client to load the new settings and refresh the connection. After Steam reopens, test the app again. Try loading the store, your library, or starting a download to see if the issue is fixed. In many cases, simply changing the download region and clearing the cache will remove the HTTP error 500 and get Steam working normally again. If the problem still appears, you can repeat the process one more time and select a different download region. Sometimes the issue is tied to a temporary server problem, so choosing another nearby region may solve it. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable, and if needed, try restarting your router or modem before opening Steam again. So to recap, the fix is simple. Open Steam, go to Settings, open Downloads, change your download region, clear the download cache, and restart Steam. This method is fast, safe, and often solves the Steam HTTP error 500 without needing advanced troubleshooting. If this guide helped you, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick fixes and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.